Okay, it's not completely dark, but it is darker. It's not picking, the sensor's not picking it up because it's dark, I'm guessing. Oh, that stinks. Okay, so when I flipped the light on and off, it triggered the sensor, but now that the light, now that it's dark, that sensor's not picking up. So it has to be light for the sensor to pick it up, it looks like, and it's not completely dark in here. So just something to know. Ghost, witch, cat. Bring it out here to the light. So if it's really dark, the sensor will not work. But if we bring it over here to the light, okay, here's what the bottom looks like. It takes 3 double A's. I will be removing those. There's an off and on switch here. This little piece just hooks in and slides. Maybe. I don't know if I can do it while I'm holding my phone. But it's supposed to slide in there. It does not have a safety screw, so I'll have to see if I can get that pushed in. Okay, I got it pushed in. It's a little bit hard. You have to kind of give it a good little push, but it opens up pretty easy. It just kind of fits tight when you push it in to close. And batteries are not included.